Welcome guys. Quick demonstration of the Donner chromatic guitar tuner. Is a little clip-on tuner clip for it. It uses CR2032 batteries, little button batteries. And the way you remove the battery is very easy. You got these little tabs on the top, and you just turn it. Comes off, okay? And then to put it back on, you're just gonna line those up and just turn it. Really not difficult to do. There's the button to turn it on. You can turn it off with this. You can also switch from guitar based ukulele, violin, do violin. I believe that's banjo. What I'm doing is going to be chromatic tuning. Just clip it on. And this does turn, so you can see what you're tuning to. So you see it turns that way and it goes up like that. So depending on your needs. And so let's turn it so we can see. This is tuning to E, so let's see if it's correct. So you can see there's the right tuning for it, and if it turns green, it's too high. I'm gonna bring it back down. It's too high, so I want to bring it so you're right in the middle. So that's the tuning of E. Thanks for checking us out.